Make a great choice today with the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, cloth seat trim, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.